guys, welcome back to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. So today I want to show you the tutorial for this Pikachu Among Us that I designed. I showed this in my last video to how to make the 3D Perler Among Us, but I didn't show how to make this one. This one is inspired by this Pikachu that I found on Pinterest. So I thought it was really cute. It has a little flower on it. Of course, if you don't like the flower, you can take it out. So I transformed it into this 3D Perler. Super cute. So today I'm gonna share this with you. Alright. So this Pikachu Among Us, I have designed it, and I don't think you can find it on other YouTube channels. So here you go. And also I'm going to work on other costume like the Pikachu when I have time. So if you don't want to miss out like all these new tutorials and new video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification, so you will get notified whenever there's new videos like this and you won't miss out. Because I noticed like at least 50% of you have not subscribed, so you're going to miss out all of these ones. And to all my subscribers, again, thank you so much for all your support, and stay tuned for more videos. So today we're gonna work on this one, and if you're going to make one, tag me on Instagram, so you know I can show it to others how amazing your Pikachu Among Us is, and then show them that they can make their own too. Alright, so let's get started to this.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Okay, so let's get started. This one does a little bit more than the regular Among Us that we did last time, but it's very similar. So let's come into the face first, the top part. So this one, you can always take out the flower if you don't want it. And then so we're gonna use this one and then insert it to the center. Just like so. And then this is the second piece. Okay. There we go. And then comes to this third piece. So remember, this one is shorter than the other one that we have. Yay! So this is the top part. Alright, so now we have the top piece. So let's build the body first. Okay, so the body connector is this one. And then the long one, remember, goes to the top. Stay to the top. And then let's come into the two side pieces right here. So we're gonna connect them together with this connector. So it goes like this, and then leaving two beads behind, and then the other side. Also, this goes to the top, the two dots. Okay, this way. Alright, this is looking good. Okay, so now we have this one built. Let's connect them with the front piece. So this is the front piece that we built. Can see the lower slot with the ear. So we're gonna connect these two into the ear. And then the top ear goes to the side. Just like so. Alright, let's close the back. So this is the back piece. And then we're just gonna place it onto the top. So you can see the lower ear goes to these two bottom slots. Just like so. And let's build the side pieces again to complete them. Alright, let's build the side pieces. So we start with this one. I call this a skinny one because it has no like other arms. So this one goes to the top, facing this way, insert it in. And then let's come to the other side. I hope you can see it very clearly. It's very yellow. And then to the other side. Just like so. Alright, so let's finish this. You see this little dot that's coming out? It's facing the back. So, goes to the top, and then that facing the back. And we close the side. Same as the other one. This little dot facing to the back. Yay! Let's go to the top and finish it. Actually, I want to go with the feet first. So at the bottom, you can see the little hole. So we're gonna use this one, the piece with the 3 beads, and then insert it into this little hole right here. Same goes to the other side. See that little, very hard to see, but you see a hole there? Insert it all the way in. So it stapled the pieces together. Alright, let's come to the top. So the top you will need this, the Pikachu ear, and then this one. So it's very easy. So it goes this way. And then using this piece that goes to the top. Yay! So let's come to the back. We're almost finishing.
And if you love avocado, don't miss out this video where you can make your own 3D avocados.
Okay. So here are the pieces to build the back. So let's come with this big layer first. And then this one, the 9-piece square. Let's insert it to the top layer. Okay. So leaving one side and then the other side. And then we're gonna pop into the back. Just like so. Oh, actually you should just pop all the way in. So then with this piece, we're gonna insert it this way. Okay. Now goes to the Pikachu tail. Alright, we're almost done here. And then before you know it, we're going to the last piece. Boom. There we go. We're done. It's very easy to make, right? Alright, so like this one together. So feel free to alter like the font if you don't like the flower, or change the color to anything you like. So, you know, tag me on Instagram so I can see what you make. And then if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.